In this video, you are going to see how to remove text fill color and add outline border in Microsoft PowerPoint, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. And let me add some text here. Select the text, change the font size, make it bold and change the font. Increase its size. Now if you want to change the fill color, click on the text box, go to shape format, go to text fill, go to texture, click on more texture, then go to this option, text option. Now let us make it no fill and go to text outline and insert a solid outline. Here you can choose the outline and even you can increase the width, and this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe.